Hello and welcome back to the second part of the review tutorial. I just want to backtrack real quick and focus on some things I forgot to mention in the last video about the criteria and the overall score. You are not limited to just one aspect in the good and the bad categories. As you can see, I've listed 3 here. And the way you want to separate it is by having this little line in between. And the way I've done it, the way I do it, and I think it's the easiest way, mostly because I don't know of any other way to do it, is I just copy and paste the little line and then, just write whatever, just some BS right there. But I just wanted to stress that point that you can put more than one aspect in the good and the bad category. And then I wanted to direct your attention back to the overall score, because I don't think I went over that in the last video. I personally am a nerd and like to do the actual mathematical average of the 3 because I'm weird. But you can pick any category or any criteria that you want. It doesn't have to be graphics, controls, and replayability. It can be storyline or, voiceovers or whatever. So that may affect how you want to give it the overall score. And it doesn't have to be a 0.0 or 0.5 number. You can do 0.8 or blah blah blah. So I'm going to leave it at 9.5 for now, and I will show you that whatever rating you give it will have an effect on the post in a very slight way, but I think it's kind of interesting. But I will show you that in just a second, because I know in the last video I said I would show you how to do a featured image, and by golly, that is what I'm going to do, because I am a woman of my word. So you're going to add it pretty much exactly the same way that you would in a normal post, just the criteria is a little bit different. So you're going to go to Set Featured Image, and the difference between what kind of image you choose is when you're doing a review, the featured image is going to be a lot smaller, but more importantly, it is going to be the cover art, and it's always going to be the cover art. So as you can see here, this is the cover art for Pinball FX2 for the arcade. I already have it saved on my computer, but I just wanted to show you what to look for. So we're going to select files, and once again, just as a normal post, you cannot upload a featured image from a URL. It has to be saved on your computer. So I'm just going to scroll through and find mine. Boom. Okay, so there it is. Use as, and same thing, use as featured image. And if you find the cover art like this, it should resize it naturally. So you don't have to worry about that stuff. So use as featured image. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do is show you the difference between a higher overall score and a lower overall score. So I'm just going to preview this for you to show you what it will look like when you publish it on the site. Okay, so you see that's what it looks like. Obviously I need to change that a little bit, but there you can see the featured image. Thumbs up is obviously the good, thumbs down is obviously the bad, and there is the criteria that we gave it. But real quick, I'm going to change the overall score to 5.5, or whoops, 5.5, and preview that. And as you can see, the color changed. So as it goes lower, the color goes into a negative color. So you can go write reviews now. Yay, you!